Hey traders, John Howell here, and boom goes the metals, yeehaw, grandma, and also gold, and silver as well too. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, so you know I had to do today's market update, right? I actually just spoke to someone on the phone. They're like, John, you sound exactly like on YouTube. That's right. I love it. Guys, firstly, I hope you guys are doing well. Me and my private clients have just completed an incredible week. And my private clients, oh my goodness, for all my private clients watching right now, I want to say that I am so proud of you. This whole week, this last couple of weeks, the trades that you're posting on the Facebook group and you're contacting me and you're emailing me, you guys are just crushing it right now. I'm so proud of you guys. All of you guys, all the trades you're showing me. My goodness. Stick to the plan, guys, or you're going to crush it. Anyway, back to the YouTube folks. How you doing, guys? Oh my goodness, I'm just coming off an incredible week, guys, and I hope you guys are doing well as well too, right? Just, oh my goodness. It's just the last 7-8 trades, just incredible. Anyway, look what happened with gold, right? Remember I said before with gold, I actually said, I did a video a couple of days ago, and I said here gold. Yeah, I said this point right here, right? So I said in gold that we're about to make, okay, we're about this here, and we're about to see a spike coming out of it, and we actually got a pretty strong move up. We actually paused right there, but we did get a pretty strong move up. Now, what does that mean overall for gold? Now, here's the thing. It's changing tune. V bottom. Here we go, right? Things are changing. Let me bring up a chart here with nothing on it, no indicators, and look what we got here. Strong move down, strong move up. This is a massive probability, massive probability that guess what? It's on like Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong coming to town. John, you could take your Donkey Kong and shove it. All right. That's what someone else said anyway. I'm like, all right, he's having a bad day. All right. Why don't you come over this side? I'll show you how to do it, okay? You won't be cranky when I coach you. I'll show you exactly what to do. So anyway, move down, move up. And we're getting a nice little up bar today. What is the GOD? Oh, look at the volume behind the GOD today. Look at like a little gap up today, a little move to the upside. Got a beautiful upward trend. We are still right at this resistance line, but look at the volume behind today. So really good pushing movement in the metals, right? So very nice upside. Let's have a look at silver. Silver also actually had a very nice move. Silver's still in the, I don't know about silver, right? Because we're right at this resistance line. But silver, let's have a look at the SLV, just so I can get the volume. And look what's happening with the SLV, right? We got a bit of a gap up, and we actually got a volume behind it. So interesting. The stock market did nothing today. Flat, right? By the way, I'm long the stock market, and I'm also long metals and miners. Anyway, but look at this here. Bit of a breakout and a bit of a gap up, and also volume behind it. So are we about to start to see some movement in silver? Because silver is, man, I'm burping all over the place here. You guys may not realize it, but I'm like little burp as I'm talking. So I can't talk right now. I'm burping all over the place. So big move down, and now a little slight move up after holding the support level, and now we actually got a little bit of a breakout here. And if I actually bring up the trend line properly, probably the trend line's through there, maybe through there somewhere, I would say. It'd have to be through there somewhere. And look what's happening. Bit of a gap up. So let me just remove that there. So really interesting happening with the good old silver price there, guys. And back with the mining stocks. Mining stocks, very nice movement. As I said before, guys, it does look like that we have created a final low for quite some time to come. And it does look like that the SIL is on its way up to at least the 50, and ultimately maybe over the next 12 months, maybe 6 months. Who knows? Timing, I don't know. Target, high probability, $60. I don't know the timing. could just go sideways and then break up. Okay, so I ultimately see this thing now running up to $60 now when I'm looking at this SIL. First target is $50 up right up here. And look what's happening here on the SIL, right? Remember I said before this trend line, it's like I was I was having a bit of a go at it. I'm like, hang on, here we go, right? So look what happened here, right? Bit of a gap up, bit of a move to the upside, and a close there. So, and a look at the little bit of an increase in volume today. We've got low, higher low, this little false breakout to the downside, a little slingshot pattern. And now look what's happening. We continue to make a nice move up with the metals. That's the SIL. Moving over now through the SILJ, and the same thing. Look at the volume behind. Look at the volume today behind it. Look at this here. Volume, massive. Geez, it's like before the holidays, before the one-day holiday, it's like all the fund managers, let's load up on the metals because they see what's happening. They may be even part of my coaching program. They probably are, right? They're just not telling me. Yeah, I'm watching you, big guys. Yeah, taking my stuff. It's not really my stuff. It's just a collection of everything I've learned from my mentors. Put it together one system that crushes it. Anyway, so we have this move to the downside, and now we have a move back to the upside. And as you can see, nice little pullback. And I was actually saying yesterday, does she turn on us or does she not? If she turn on us, we need to walk away. But no, she didn't turn on us. She said, you know what, darling, I'm gonna continue this journey with you just for a little bit longer. She didn't turn. She's staying a little bit longer on this date. So let's actually stay with her, okay? So, but keep an eye on her. But look at the volume behind that today. GDX. Look what's happening with the GDX. GDX is really breaking above. This is really interesting. Look at this here. Actually, you know what? Let's actually delete this trend line here. Delete you. And let's actually delete you for a minute. Look what's happening here. So this sort of support and resistance level. Look what happened. Oh, very, 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 very interesting. Look at this here. So we had support all through here around the 33. Resistance. Came back down. Support. Look what happened now. Bit of a gap up. And again, look at the volume behind the GDX and up there. So the buyers are really starting to come back in now, guys. Like, we may be in the mixed and in the middle of the slingy shot pattern, right? We just may be there. And same for the GDXJ. So we didn't remember. I was saying yesterday, right? If she turns, just it's okay. You know, it just wasn't right for you. Just get the hell out of Dodge and then come back when she'll be back later. Don't worry, she'll be back. But when she does come back, then that's when you can have another run. But she's not interested today. What I'm talking about is the market going down and saying, okay, because I'm saying if we broke to the downside, then we're probably going to follow through. But look what happened with the GDXJ today. Interesting. A little gap up and a break and a close above with strong volume above this 43. Now, why is that important? Look what happened here. This is that strong area of support all through here. Now look what's happening. Little what? False breakout. John, it's called a false breakdown. Shut up, you. Right? I'll call it what I want to call it. It's like, John, you don't know what to talk about. I do. Well, guess what? That's what I call it, so I'm going to call it. Don't like it? Go watch Harry Dent. He'll probably help you out. All right. So we have a move to the downside, and we have a now we're getting a break above this support line here with volume. Guys, this could be the final low for many years to come. I could be wrong too, so there's no certainty. So no YOLOing in my house, right? Otherwise, it'd be like order in the court. I'd come down and see you. All right, I'll give you a little Donkey Kong. I'll send Donkey Kong on your ass. No YOLOing, okay? Risk management all the time. Risk small and big. I have positions in these markets. Guess what? 2% risk on my account. If they work out the way that I've said they're going to work out, 20%, 40% return on my account. You see that? Small risk, big return. That's what you should be doing. Always protect yourself. Protect yourself, protect yourself, protect yourself. Yes, you can make a lot of money really quickly. Actually, I just spoke to someone really recently, and he made so much really quickly, and then he lost it all, or almost it all anyway. So that's what I want to share with you guys. A boom goes the market. So traders, I am actually opening up application only to my coaching program, which starts now and ends at the end of next year, over 12 months. If you want to be coached by me you want to join my coaching program, application only, then there should be a very first link in description. If there's a link there in description, then that'll send you over to the application. You'll fill out the application form, and then I'll speak to you, and then we'll have a good chat. Here's what's going to happen on the call. Firstly, I'm going to find out all the details about you. And then if we're not a good fit for the coaching program, you're going to leave with a custom trading plan for you. I'm going to find out what you're doing, where you want to go, what's happening, what's going on. I'm going to talk to you about the mistakes you're making, and then I'm going to start building. I'm going to find your goals, and then I'm going to start building out a custom trading plan for you to follow. So if you're not a good fit for my coaching program, and that way I can hold your hand for over 12 months, then at least you'll leave with a bit of a trading plan, a bit of a map, a bit of formula for you to follow so you can start to move forward in your own way. That's if we're not a good fit. If you are a good fit, awesome. I can hold your hand. I can, you can see what's going on, and we can move forward. Because I've only got a few spots open. There's only like 3 or 4 spots open per day next week, and that's it. That's the only available spots I have. I think it's only 3 spots in the morning. So guys, if you're interested in anything I've just said, then click on that link in the description below right now and go fill your spots. As I said before, I've only got like 3 spots open available for every day for next week, and they're going to go fast. I'm going to email my database as well too. So if this sounds like you guys and you want to become part of this, or you want to at least just check it out, secure your spot right now. So click on that link in the description, guys. Go over there right now. Fill out the application form, and I look forward to speaking to you on the phone. And once again, if you're not a good fit for the coaching program, then guess what? No harm, no foul. This is not going to be pushy sales dealing like that. What I'll do is I'll build out a bit of a custom plan for me. I'll give you a bit of a roadmap, a bit of a formula for you to follow, so at least you can start to make progress from there. Make sense, guys? So anyway, I look forward to speaking to you real soon, guys. I'm so excited. I hope you are. It's going to be an incredible rest of this year. Again, if you're interested in me coaching you, then fill out the application form below right now, guys, and I look forward to speaking to you on the phone real soon.